Welcome to AI Unraveled, demystifying frequently asked questions on artificial intelligence, the podcast where we dive deep into the latest AI trends. Join us as we explore groundbreaking research, innovative applications, and emerging technologies that are pushing the boundaries of AI. From ChatGPT to the recent merger of Google Brain and DeepMind, we will keep you updated on the ever-evolving AI landscape. Get ready to unravel the mysteries of AI with us. In today's episode, we'll cover topics such as collaborative software design using GPT synthesizer, AI-driven medical antibody design by LabGenius, NVIDIA's new AI chip and frameworks, organizations planning to ban generative AI apps, Google's Project IDX and Disney's AI task force, AI-generated music licensing by Google and Universal Music Group, MIT researchers using AI for cancer treatment, Meta focusing on commercial AI, OpenAI's GPT bot, and the Wondercraft AI platform for podcasting with hyper-realistic AI voices. Have you ever used ChatGPT or GPT for software design and code generation? If so, you may have noticed that for larger or more complex codes, it often skips important implementation steps or misunderstands your design. Luckily, there are tools available to help, such as GPT Engineer and Aider. However, these tools often exclude the user from the design process. If you want to be more involved and explore the design space with GPT, you should consider using GPT Synthesizer. GPT Synthesizer is a free and open source tool that allows you to collaboratively implement an entire software project with the help of AI. It guides you through the problem statement and uses a moderated interview process to explore the design space together. If you have no idea where to start or how to describe your software project, GPT Synthesizer can be your best friend. What sets GPT Synthesizer apart is its unique design philosophy. Rather than relying on a single prompt to build a complete code base for complex software, GPT Synthesizer understands that there are crucial details that cannot be effectively captured in just one prompt. Instead, it captures the design specification step by step through an AI-directed dialogue that engages with the user. Using a process called prompt synthesis, GPT Synthesizer compiles the initial prompt into multiple program components. This helps turn unknown unknowns into known unknowns, providing novice programmers with a better understanding of the overall flow of their desired implementation. GPT Synthesizer and the user then collaboratively discover the design details needed for each program component. GPT Synthesizer also offers different levels of interactivity depending on the user's skill set, expertise, and the complexity of the task. It strikes a balance between user participation and AI autonomy, setting itself apart from other code generation tools. If you want to be actively involved in the software design and code generation process, GPT Synthesizer is a valuable tool that can help enhance your experience and efficiency. You can find GPT Synthesizer on GitHub at https://github.com/robocoachtechnologis/GPT Synthesizer. So get this, robots, computers, and algorithms are taking over the search for new therapies. They're able to process mind-boggling amounts of data and come up with molecules that humans could never even imagine. And they're doing it all in an old biscuit factory in South London. This amazing endeavor is being led by James Field and his company, LabGenius. They're not baking cookies or making any sweet treats. Nope. They're busy cooking up a whole new way of engineering medical antibodies using the power of artificial intelligence, AI. For those who aren't familiar, antibodies are the body's defense against diseases. They're like the immune system's frontline troops, designed to attach themselves to foreign invaders and flush them out. For decades, pharmaceutical companies have been making synthetic antibodies to treat diseases like cancer or prevent organ rejection during transplants. But here's the thing. Designing these antibodies is a painstakingly slow process for humans. Protein designers have to sift through millions of possible combinations of amino acids, hoping to find the ones that will fold together perfectly. They then have to test them all experimentally, adjusting variables here and there to improve the treatment without making it worse. According to Field, the founder and CEO of LabGenius, There's an infinite range of potential molecules out there, and somewhere in that vast space lies the molecule we're searching for. And that's where AI comes in. By crunching massive amounts of data, AI can identify unexplored molecule possibilities that humans might have never even considered. So it seems like the future of antibody development is in the hands of robots and algorithms. Who would have thought an old biscuit factory would be the birthplace of groundbreaking medical advancements? NVIDIA recently made some major AI breakthroughs that are set to shape the future of technology. One of the highlights is the introduction of their new chip, the GH200. This chip combines the power of the H100, NVIDIA's highest-end AI chip, with 141 gigabytes of cutting-edge memory and a 72-core ARM central processor. Its purpose? To revolutionize the world's data centers by enabling the scale-out of AI models. In addition to this new chip, NVIDIA also announced advancements in Universal Scene Description, USD, known as OpenUSD. Through their Omniverse platform and various technologies like ChatUSD and RunUSD, NVIDIA is committed to advancing OpenUSD and its 3D framework. This framework allows for seamless interoperability between different software tools and data types, making it easier to create virtual worlds. To further support developers and researchers, NVIDIA unveiled the AI Workbench. This developer toolkit simplifies the creation, testing, and customization of pre-trained generative AI models. Better yet, these models can be scaled to work on a variety of platforms, including PCs, workstations, enterprise data centers, public clouds, and NVIDIA DGX Cloud. The goal of the AI Workbench is to accelerate the adoption of custom generative AI models in enterprises around the world. Lastly, NVIDIA partnered with Hugging Face to bring generative AI supercomputing to developers. By integrating NVIDIA DGX Cloud into the Hugging Face platform, developers gain access to powerful AI tools that facilitate training and tuning of large language models. This collaboration aims to empower millions of developers to build advanced AI applications more efficiently across various industries. These announcements from NVIDIA demonstrate their relentless commitment to pushing the boundaries of AI technology and making it more accessible for everyone. It's an exciting time for the AI community, and these breakthroughs are just the beginning. Did you know that a whopping 75% of organizations worldwide are considering banning ChatGPT and other generative AI apps on work devices? It's true. Despite having over 100 million users in June 2023, concerns over the security and trustworthiness of ChatGPT are on the rise. BlackBerry, a pioneer in AI cybersecurity, is urging caution when it comes to using consumer-grade generative AI tools in the workplace. So, what are the reasons behind this trend? Well, 61% of organizations see these bans as long-term or even permanent measures. They are primarily driven by worries about data security, privacy, and their corporate reputation. In fact, a staggering 83% of companies believe that unsecured apps pose a significant cybersecurity threat to their IT systems. It's not just about security either. A whopping 80% of IT decision makers believe that organizations have the right to control the applications being used for business purposes. On the other hand, 74% feel that these bans indicate excessive control over corporate and bring your own devices. The good news is that as AI tools continue to improve and regulations are put in place, companies may reconsider their bans. It's crucial for organizations to have tools in place that enable them to monitor and manage the usage of these AI tools in the workplace. This research was conducted by OnePoll on behalf of BlackBerry. They surveyed 2,000 IT decision makers across North America, Europe, Japan, and Australia in June and July of 2023 to gather these fascinating insights. Google recently launched Project IDX, an exciting development for web and multi-platform app builders. This AI-enabled browser-based dev environment supports popular frameworks like Angular, Flutter, Next.js, React, Svelte, and Vue, as well as languages such as JavaScript and Dart. Built on Visual Studio Code, IDX integrates with Google's Palm 2-based foundation model for programming tasks called Cody. IDX boasts a range of impressive features to support developers in their work. It offers smart code completion, enabling developers to write code more efficiently. The addition of a chatbot for coding assistance brings a new level of interactivity to the development process. And with the ability to add contextual code actions, IDX enables developers to maintain high coding standards. One of the most exciting aspects of Project IDX is its flexibility. Developers can work from anywhere, import existing projects, and preview apps across multiple platforms. While IDX currently supports several frameworks and languages, Google has plans to expand its compatibility to include languages like Python and Go in the future. Not wanting to be left behind in the AI revolution, Disney has created a task force to explore the applications of AI across its vast entertainment empire. Despite the ongoing Hollywood writers' strike, Disney is actively seeking talent with expertise in AI and machine learning. These job opportunities span departments such as Walt Disney Studios, engineering, theme parks, television, and advertising. In fact, the advertising team is specifically focused on building an AI-powered ad system for the future. Disney's commitment to integrating AI into its operations shows its dedication to staying on the cutting edge of technology. AI researchers have made an impressive claim, boasting a 93% accuracy rate in detecting keystrokes over Zoom audio. By recording keystrokes and training a deep learning model on the unique sound profiles of individual keys, they were able to achieve this remarkable accuracy. This is particularly concerning for laptop users in quieter public places, as their non-modular keyboard acoustic profiles make them susceptible to this type of attack. In the realm of coding, Stability AI has released StableCode, a generative AI product designed to assist programmers in their daily work and also serve as a learning tool for new developers. StableCode utilizes 3 different models to enhance coding efficiency. The base model underwent training on various programming languages, including Python, Go, Java, and more. Furthermore, it was further trained on a massive amount of code, amounting to 560 billion tokens. Hugging Face has launched tools to support developers in running language learning models, LLMs, on Apple devices. They have released a guide and alpha libraries tools to enable developers to run LLM models like Llama 2 on their Macs using Core ML. Google AI, in collaboration with American Airlines and Breakthrough Energy, is striving to reduce the climate impact of flights. By using AI and data analysis, they have developed contrail forecast maps that help pilots choose routes that minimize contrail formation. This ultimately reduces the climate impact of flights. Additionally, Google is in talks with Universal Music Group to license artists' melodies and vocals for an AI-generated music tool. This tool would allow users to create AI-generated music using an artist's voice, lyrics, or sounds. Copyright holders would be compensated for the right to create the music, and artists would have the choice to opt in. Researchers at MIT and the Dana-Farber Cancer Institute have discovered that artificial intelligence, AI, can aid in determining the origins of enigmatic cancers. This newfound knowledge enables doctors to choose more targeted treatments. Lastly, Meta has disbanded its protein folding team as it shifts its focus towards commercial AI. OpenAI has also introduced GPT-Bot, a web crawler specifically developed to enhance AI models. GPT-Bot meticulously filters data sources to ensure privacy and policy compliance. Hey there, AI Unraveled podcast listeners. If you're hungry to dive deeper into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, I've got some exciting news for you. Etienne Newman, in his book AI Unraveled, Demystifying Frequently Asked Questions on Artificial Intelligence, has compiled an essential guide that'll expand your understanding of this captivating field. But let's talk convenience. You can grab a copy of this book from some of the most popular platforms out there. Whether you're an avid Shopify user, prefer Apple Books, rely on Google Play, or love browsing through Amazon, you can find AI Unraveled today. Now back to podcasting. If you're itching to start your own show and have an incredible host, Wondercraft AI platform is here to make it happen. This powerful tool lets you create your podcast seamlessly with the added perk of using hyper-realistic AI voices as your host, just like mine. Here's something to sweeten the deal. How about a delightful 50% discount on your first month? Use the code AIUnraveled50 and enjoy this special offer. So there you have it, folks. Get your hands on AI Unraveled, venture into the depths of artificial intelligence, and hey, why not start your own podcast with our amazing Wondercraft AI platform, Happy Podcasting? Thanks for listening to today's episode, where we discuss topics such as collaborative software design with GPT synthesizer, AI-driven antibody design with Lab Genius, NVIDIA's new AI chip and partnerships, concerns over security with generative AI apps, Google's Project IDX and Disney's AI task force, AI-enabled keystroke detection, StableCode for enhanced coding efficiency, LLM models on Apple devices, reducing climate impact with AI, licensing artists' melodies with Universal Music Group, determining origins of cancers with AI, Meta's focus on commercial AI, and OpenAI's GPT bot for improving models. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys at the next one.